Man, I am pissed. But before we get into it, hit the intro.
And they say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
Okay, I'm back. I'd like to welcome everyone with one great big aloha. Man, happy Saturday, good people. Welcome back. I'd like to welcome my males, females, wahine, kane, keiki, kapunas. Welcome back. If you do me a big favor, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, give you the shaka as we do here on the islands. Also, go make sure you follow the fam. 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF. We're gonna be on and popping for season 12. Who has the heat? Season 12. All right, so you can tell a family member, friend of a friend, go sub up to that channel. Anyone interested in battling, go ahead and have them tap in with us on IG. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this. I don't know if a lot of people wanted to cop this shoe or not, but I did end up hitting up on two paths, and I'm gonna give you my unfiltered, unwatered down opinion. All right, you're on my channel watching my video, so you're gonna get it anyway. Why am I pissed? We will get into this, but like I said, I hit on two. I wasn't trying to hit on two, but you should know already by now. The kicker is for sneakers. The more devices you use, the better your chances, right? Because you got all these bots. One phone, you got to be some serious lucky, right? So it got done. If you need to use your phone, use your son's phone, your daughter's phone, your son's phone, your mom's, brother, uncle, whatever you got to do, you got to use them all, right? The more you use, the better your chances. Just letting you know. Now, enough of that talking and running my big mouth. Let's get into what we came here to review. Oh, okay, bars. And here we are. Pretty good packaging here. And just got the Trexx on the side of these joints. Size 10 and a half. 10. I think my other ones are 10 and a half. 10 men's, 11 and a half on the ladies. So you already know ladies are always 1.5 up more than the men. Like the box, very sturdy. I'm surprised these didn't get more hype because you had, of course, for all of us big wrestling fans, John Cena had them on, and you had Travis Scott on there rocking these shoes like Mania and Post Mania on Raw. So we're gonna pop the top. Pretty sturdy top, like I said. Pretty good here, pretty good. You have the paper, and you got a little scroll. You see the Jumpman, Jackman, whatever scribble on here. And here comes the moment of disappointment. And what do you see that's missing in here? For those of you who had Jumpman Jacks before, you know there's supposed to be a tote bag in here. I'm missing my tote bag. I feel cheated. Retail price is $200. I need to take at least $20. I'll need these for $180 now. Some people came with tote bags, some people didn't. Let's get a little bit of consistency here, Nike. Thank you. Now you can see these are still wrapped up individually. I didn't actually get to look at the shoe. And this also came with it, so they gave me these little stickers. But that don't supposed to make it feel any better. I want my done tote bag. Got done it. Now, see, this should come like so. You got your little sticker ricker on now. Take these out of there and get my first look. Almost like unraveling a Subway sandwich, right? What did I talk about? I must be hungry because I'm must be talking about Subway sandwiches and stuff. But, and here we go. bang, bang. Bright Citrus Cactus Jack. Now I know this ain't everybody's cup of tea, but not too bad. Let's do a little one-time 360 spin on these joints. So like I said, no tote bag. I ain't gonna grumble about the whole thing, the no tote bag. But underneath the bottom, this is pretty dope. But I'm gonna let you know right now, maybe I got a wide foot. These are not the most comfortable shoes. I don't know. To me, it feel like you walking on the ground. Others chime me, if you got a pair, you let me know the difference. I might try to switch out the insole. But I mean, for a Jumpman Jack, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, because it's already in the spring. You got the summer coming up. So here, I don't know what this. I don't know, probably synthetic here on the toe. But like I said, the bottom is very dope, right? You got the jacket kind of got like that wall rock kind of liming look there. Then you got this materials here, right here, this bright citrus. You got the strap. Get the strap, right? Don't clap my video, YouTube, because I said get the strap, all right? So I don't know here. Some people like this Velcro. I haven't quite figured it out which way I want to rock with it. It actually may look better with the strap tied down, all right? And then on the side, you got a little bit of wrinkle stankle, as I like to call it. I don't know if you can see a little wrinkle stankle. And this swoosh is pretty dope. Pretty dope. Look like kind of like a suede or velvet type look. And then you got here, oh, look at that, pretty plush. All right, on the back, you got your traditional Jumpman Jack. Like he had a bad hair day, right? In the back of the shoe. I skipped all around this. Then you got this little tag up here. I don't know what that's all about. You got some protection here for the tongue, which is actually pretty dope. The tongue is pretty dope. I might try to do these with the lace swap. I might go black, but I don't know. Or maybe even go bright citrus. Maybe try to set it off. And up here, the ankle collar is very soft, kind of plush. Not kind of plush, but it's very plush. Inside the insole, you see you got the Jumpman Jack. And we don't use shoe trees no more, I guess. Every shoe come with this little paper stuffing. All right, okay, y'all cutting corners. All righty then. Well, let me put this back in the tongue. I guess all this little extra paper and stuff making it $200, but like I said, I would prefer to still have my tote bag, but hey, it is what it is. Then you got the midsole. It's not heavily painted like on some of the Jordans, so you should be fine on that. And that's pretty much all to the shoe. So y'all let me know, would you swap the laces or would you leave them as they are, which is the OG original? Let me take a look at the second shoe, make sure I ain't miss anything. Oh, I did miss something. The laces, that is important. So I ain't gotta go buy laces, right? You get 3 sets of laces, all right? Okay, so you're partially forgiven here. I might, let's see, here, oh, not bad. Black, you never can go wrong with all black. Or maybe this, maybe I go 1 each. You gotta let me know, I should head it up better. What y'all think? There, or there. All right, y'all let me know. And then inside of here, like I said, anything, nothing else on the shoe, pretty much the same thing, all right? Almost kind of weird. I almost thought this pulled out, but it's kind of like a cheap rubber here on the back. So with that being said, like I said earlier, on the comfort on these, you can go true to size, but like I said, for me, I don't think these are the most comfortable shoe in the world, but it is something different, and I'm always willing to try something at least once. All right, and then for retail, for $200, you can't complain. For those of you trying to do the resale market, I don't think they're going too much higher than about $250, between $250 and $300. The OGs, right? Those are probably the most expensive ones. I think the red ones were really high, and all of a sudden they went under the brown ones. Now comparing these to the dark mochas that I have, I probably would give the slight edge to the dark mocha just because of the colors, the darker color scheme. But maybe these will grow on me in due time, and surpass them, but I probably won't keep both pairs, but we'll see. Like I said, anytime you get a dub from sneakers, it is a blessing. Now, with that being said, well, it's the moment of truth. Y'all already know I've been grumbling about my dust bag right all the way through this, so I'm already deducting points right there. We're on a scale of 5. Comfort level is lacking in that. Got a little bit of cheap materials on here. So you know what? I mean, if you can catch it for a steal or a deal, I would go out and grab it, preferably retail or under. So I would give this shoe a 4 out of 5, all right? 4 out of 5. I'm not gonna sit here and overhype the shoe. If you got it for retail, cool. If you're a big Jumpman Jack or Travis Scott fan, cool. I can understand why you wanna grab it. Specifically, if you're a sneakerhead and you like completing the set, I definitely understand that. But just for me, I'm just gonna give it a 4 out of 5. You all right? So other than that, thanks for all the love and support. And I also failed to mention, today was the CSEL, the College Skateboard Educational Foundation shoe that dropped today. Hit on those. I can't wait for those to come in. Let me know if you was able to cop those. I got the Kobe's coming in. So I'm gonna get these videos out to you. But thank you for rocking with me. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.